we'll guide you through how to share files in Google Drive effectively. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and go to drive.google.com. Once you're logged in to your Google account, locate the file or folder you want to share. Hover over it with your cursor and right-click to bring up the Options menu. From there, select the Share option. A new window will pop up where you can add the email addresses of the people you want to share the file with. You can choose their permission level by clicking on the drop-down next to each email address. It defaults to Viewer, but you can change it to Commenter or Editor if you want them to have more control. If you'd like to share with a larger group, you can also generate a shareable link by clicking on Get Link. Make sure to adjust the link settings to control who can access it and their permission level. Click on Copy Link to copy the shareable link to your clipboard. You can then paste it into an email or message for easy sharing. Remember, if you're sharing sensitive information, check the permissions carefully to ensure only the right people have access. Once you're done configuring the settings, click Send to share directly via email, or simply share the copied link as needed. This should make collaboration a breeze on Google Drive. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.